They count.
I'm okay without it.
Next stop, the bottom. Next stop, the Great Glass Bottom Building. Doot, doot.
Here we go.
This one's floor is not.
Oh,
No.
I didn't know this was day 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least 3 days.
That's fine. I didn't see when we visited earlier.
Day 2.
It didn't exist.
This is the magic
Oh,
gondola.
from the-
I thought she was meaning only
No, the entire thing.
Really?
Yeah. I was reading about it in the gift shop.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we are very blessed.
Look at that gondola.
Day 2.
That's-
Bikes.
It's day 2 today.
Great deal. I thought. Are you sure?
That's what she just said.
I thought it was day 2 just for the biker guys.
No, I think it's everything.
Really?
It's kind of what she was inferring.
Why is that?
As well as it was.
Why is that cable right there There's
What's the biking thing?
not
That probably used to be.
moving?
Used to always be there.
Okay.
But now they've added a way to get up to the
Did
top.
you research that?
Cable moving or we?
Cable is moving us.
They control it from the Great Glass Building.
Like, sitting right on top of the cable. The cable's moving and pulling us.
Actually,
That's a crazy jump.
there
Look
is
at that.
called
It's
Oh my God, are they
hauling
gonna
us.
take it?
No?
the
That's
restaurant.
Mm-hmm.
Look at how high that is.
Next time
Next
should
stop.
we
Not bad, you
do
land right there.
top of the mountain?
Yeah, okay.
Next stop,
12 feet.
Great Glass Gondola. Next stop, the Great Glass. Next stop, the Great Glass. Next stop, the Great Glass Building. Why did you
Trying to see
tell
if the
me?
guy did it.
Because you're amazing.
Here he goes. No, he's coming down.
Oh no, that's the other guy.
Uh-oh.
My ears are popping.
Someone is on my. Someone is on our cable now.
Yeah, I mean, it's just one big cable, buddy.
They're doing a lot of construction down over here too.
Might be building more ramps and clearing
Hey,
out,
buddy.
clearing out more. Clearing out more.
Yeah,
of
well,
the,
this is tower number 11.
This is tower number 11.
Mm-hmm. What do you think the next one's gonna be?
I wonder if they get like a day pass and they can just go up and down all day long, or if they just get one
Bump,
ride.
bump, bump, bump.
I don't think they have season passes yet.
No, not
Someone
yet.
was asking about that down when I got my ticket.
Yeah, I meant the
They don't have
bikers, like if they can go up and down like in a day, you know what I mean?
Well,
One on
that's
one.
the same guy. That guy in the orange. He went down
Yes.
earlier, right before us.
Did he? Well, how do
Yeah.
you know? Are you sure?
That's the same exact outfit.
Okay, well, we don't know if it's the same exact
Did you bike up?
Oh my gosh, look at buddy. Look at that ramp
Sorry.
that's in the
The
rocks.
signs there.
The biker's right there,
crazy.
bikes through the
They're
rocks.
still open. They're not closed. Like, if you want, if you want to do it, you can do it.
Our feet is
like a
stuck
Red
on
Bull
this.
extreme sport. You know?
Have you seen the ones of them like going?
Huh?
Have you seen the ones of them like going down
Yeah, like the ramp.
Italian cities?
Yes.
Half of the
Those are
top
cool.
is.
When everybody's on the
that
side of the
bad,
street
but-
screaming for you.
Yeah.
Not
Barely anything's like closed
Right,
off.
right.
Like, it's like
Yeah.
the like
It
the
is.
Olympics.
Alright,
It's
and
neat.
nothing's closed.
Next
Why
stop.
does it have to go like this?
So neat. Yeah, and then they like make paths for them like on the streets.
If we are headed to our final.
This car's regularly quiet.
That is so cool. Look at
Yeah. I thought I
Look at the fallen down trees. They were falling down because this gondola was made and they did not want it to knock off some magic.
Yeah.
Or else this was not a magic gondola.
Right.
Doo,
That
doo.
would probably mess up the magic.
It probably messed up the
Mm-hmm.
magic.
Yeah.
But luckily
And that's probably them behind their bikes.
that's
Yeah.
outside right there.
Yeah.
Or their,
No, they should be in front of their bikes.
yeah, that's true. You're right.
What's that hole for?
Ventilation.
No, in front, because their bikes, or it doesn't matter. They have to get on those numbers. Remember, she yelled at them.
That one is empty.
She was mad too.
Yeah, I think it's.
I don't blame her.
That's actually a good point. Like, how do you get your bike if it's before you, and how do you get your bike if it's you can't load it if it's after?
We need to ask the guy questions. He was so nice to us on the way. Unless you're gonna join extreme sports. This would actually be pretty cool though. Huh?
It's about time he started.
Hello, wind.
Buddy, did we get stuck?
No, I think.
Oh, there we go. They were moving again.
Yeah, I think there were. This is the Great Glass Building.
Okay, glass building.
Please do not get off now.
No,
No.
that would be a bad idea.
How will we know to get off?
Get off when the doors open.
Oh,
Duh, duh, duh.
Whoa, look at that. Is that for bikes?
What?
He's cruising.
There's no surface to
Which one?
That
Yeah,
structure right there.
Adrenaline junkie to ride this path.
No.
Maybe it's an old. I don't know.
Do you remember that one time we went cruising through the line once and I just had a pedicure and I couldn't, and I rolled my stupid sandals.
Did you
You
step
think
out of the
Lizzie
bike
would
path
be
and they yelled
scared
at
on
us?
this?
Yeah.
Something
Lizzie
happened.
would be
Yeah.
scared
Yeah,
when
I was
you're
just
on
like,
the
I
car to
can't.
herself.
Why would she be so scared?
Because Lizzie's afraid
Great exercise.
just
no?
standing in her living room.
pull her to get her in the car.
She's scared of standing in a place
Yeah,
like
hard to
this?
get her in the car yesterday.
Like a little bit, doesn't
Does this look scary for Lucy?
A little bit, huh?
Today's day
it?
2.
It's your treat for her.
Thanks,
Doesn't eat
and
Kudos.
the gondola is.
I think that was for bikes.
Putting it in the
Wow,
lowest gear and it climbing.
that's cool.
Sure is, but
This is really cool. Maybe you'll get into mountain biking.
Is that construction site at the bottom?
I think they're just
Yeah,
working
maybe
on
that's why
this.
there's still so much construction, because it's
There's-
day 2.
Why
Well,
are they?
they're also going to build that ledge at the top.
Look, that person
Yeah.
has it all to
Yeah.
themselves.
So the only one open and. Oh,
Yeah,
wait,
he
wait,
went
I-
up
the
Well, this
all
one
by
can be open all year
himself.
round because it's not just for skiing.
Skiing,
you
right?
know, this is
Well, what,
also.
the one where we were just at yesterday,
Even
that's
with that
probably open
gondola
all
that-
year as
that-
well. That's
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 the-
kind
yeah,
of
yeah,
like
that's
the bike
yeah.
one is.
What, Betty?
How much did I say those tickets were? Those were 70 something, remember?
It's, This is the Great
Great
Glass Building.
welcome to the Great Glass Building.
Doot, doot. This is a final destination. Please get all your personal belongings. Thank you for riding Gondola. Magic
Yeah, he's
Gondola.
gone up again. This is his second time up.
I'm almost positive that like you could probably buy like a few times around or something like that.
Keep walking, everyone has to touch.
Because no, it probably is. Probably.